minutes. I'm going to take 10 to 15 minutes. So something. So now what I want to tell you something called naming convention. Now I will go and okay. So how this result was generated? Just I will discuss and then what is the meaning of it. If somebody is giving you like 100 script, right? And that this 100 script you have to run into the 100 of server, just example, or don't take that example. Somebody has given the 10 script and then told you to run into the this one in SQL server, just in that. So either you are what you are doing, you are going one by one script you are running, right? Or you can automate this, means in one shot only automatically I will put into some folder and PowerShell will go and pick up that all one by one script, and it will be execute. It will generate the file. After generating the file, what it has to do, what name it has to give. So if any script is coming and you are executing it, what name you are giving for that script, what is the script name came, that name only you are adding, just your result and dot text, right? Or result dot log, like that only you are sending. Same. So correct, no? What is the script name? You are writing a script name underscore result, right? If somebody is, you are getting in the request to run that script, guys, correct or wrong?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. I do
Correct,
follow.
no? So same thing shall be automate. Or if you want to add the time stamp also, you can give the time also, like this day, because same script will come the multiple of times, so it has to generate. So that kind of thing we are going to see now. So just I will go, what is the, so I have put, okay, just I will go, where is that, unzip the file. I have not explained you this. I have to explain result folder, what it is doing here. Just remove this all old class, it is there. Install sp, it is done. This one I have to teach you how to take this. This is the result server list, means here I am passing that all, leave it, db deploy. Okay, going with that, I will explain first this things. What is this? Okay, invoke SQL CMD I'm using for the, okay, I will take this only. Simple example. Okay, otherwise, instead of using this file, okay. So I'm not going to run this script. Maybe this script failed or script, I don't know, but I have to just I'm going to give you this. See here, same thing, whatever I am doing, I can do using the invoke SQL CMD also, right? What I am doing now, I am just I want to create the result in this location. I will go with the invoke SQL CMD and I'm passing my server name. I'm rewriting here how I can pass my database name. I have created one SQL script and I have written a format table and I am giving hyphen path equal to, in this path it is going to create the result. Same thing how we have done in the first day class, right? That time we have used the .NET framework, right, to perform this. This is the invoke SQL command. You can test that. I am not going to run this. Same thing, what I want to dictate, what I want to explain you here, same thing, if you want to write into multiple of line. So see here, this is the one line command only, right? But if you want to break into the multiple of part, you have to use this option. What is this option? Before one, numeric one, right, there will be some symbol will be there. That symbol is that only above the tab. Have you seen this in your laptop? You will see. So if you are using this, means you will able to perform this operation. And here I have made the two part. One part I have given into the filter. If you are filter, means if you are giving the pipe symbol, no use of writing the code in this fashion. Automatically that server name, whatever you have passing from this, automatically it will take one by one, it will be passed here, it will execute the result. In here what is happening, I am not passing my pipe symbol directly, I am giving my for each object. So that time if I'm not using this pipe symbol, that time I have to use that that this server name, this server where my all server is going, it will be passed one by one here. And whenever you are using this much pipe symbol, then no use of giving directly, you can give that instance name. So here it is not taking, means if you are giving dollar underscore, it will give the error. You have to use this only, you have to use this here. But in the above case, I am using the pipe symbol. So which one it is taking inside this one, directly you can give dollar underscore. So it will understood I have to pick up this only detail. Got it? If you are using pipe symbol, no use of dictating, giving the full name. What person is it is passing from here, directly you go to give the dollar underscore, it will pick up that name. If you are not giving pipe symbol, then you have to use the for each, and you have to use the in operation into this. If you are not using pipe symbol, but this value you have to pass here with the name. Got it? No doubt, right? So this one you go and do in your home. Just I will send you the script. This one I have already explained the script. What is this? This is nothing but is just server name. What is this? This is just detail. That is the PPT. This is the testing. What is this testing? Okay, that is nothing but zip and all file. That one I will explain you tomorrow. What is the difference? This is just now what I explained. That only I have break into the two part, and that only I was trying to explain, but and it is same thing, because I have used the pipe symbol, because many times students are asking and I have to explain that. So that's why last time maybe I have created one more small script. They told it is just taking the server name and it is passing one by one here, and it is just, give me 1 second. So it is just passing one by one here, and it is going to display here. I am directly passing my server name because I am not using filter option. Here you can see I am taking the all detail. I am using the filter option, so directly I can give dollar underscore, so that all result is going to be displayed. So nothing thing, once you will go to that one, then you will, then only you will understood. So this one I have opened one script. Let's see what is this, and using this script we are going to understood about how we are बहुत झांस लग रहा है, कुछ सब्जी मुझे महक रहा है, ठीक है उसको रहने दो. Okay, so just I have tested here. What I here I am going to show you. If I have to run any script, any like if I have 4 script or 10 script, if I have to run, and it has to generate that something called my naming convention file. So how we can do? So what I'm saying, sometime you are getting the, who are there now? So Ravi is there, Venkat is there, Sandeep is gone, he has to go to office. So what is happening now? If you, somebody has given you 10 script, right, and they told run this 10 script in one server, that is the one work, and once the script, it will, what result it is going to be generated by SQL server, that all result you have to save into some location. In that location, what is the result file name will be my same as my script name underscore result, or that script name dot test, something like that. For that, how we can do the naming convention or all, that one I am going to show you. So now you can see the what I am doing in the day 4 script. In my here I have put my 4 script, right, SQL script, no problem. In this location, what I'm going to do, I am just declaring one get child item. What get child will do, you know, if I'm going to run get child, what is the result will come? So what will happen means, it will go to that location. In this location I have written $SQL and I have given a star. So it will be match after dot, if any file which will be contained in the .SQL format, it is going to take that script name and it is going to saved into this variable, right? And how it is going to be saved? It is going to take in the descending order. So if I'm going to copy this full line, and if I want to see what is the result is going to be display, what we are going to see, I'm pasting here, I selected it. If I'm going to execute, so you are going to see that all script name, it is coming here into the descending order. Got it? No doubt? Nice.
I mean, it sorted on which way, on which column it has started.
It is here. No, name is 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
It is sorted into the
I mean,
descending
can
order.
we, I mean, if you want to descend by time or like that, also
That also
possible?
you can do. That is also you can do. But if I have to run this script, so I will go with that format only. If you want whatever you want, you can do.
Mm.
After this class, you have time. You go with the date. You go with the time. Whatever you want, you go with the size wise also. Anyhow, later classes I'm going to give you one class for that also. If you want to that, maybe in different example, maybe I will use some SMOs or something to show you. But the purpose is, any programming I am teaching, try to do with the multiple of this and try to understood the logic. Don't think this is the only script it is going to be useful. This is the way how I am dictating. Maybe in your real time you have to use some different thing, you have to add, or some different way you have to write. So okay, anyhow, I am just declaring my database into my variable. I have put my server name inside some variable. I will put here. I have given my server name here, right? After that, what I am going to do, I am writing my out file. Out file is what? It is nothing but I am clearing where my how my result file will be looked. So out file, what I am saving, I am saving my location of that where my result will go. That is the one thing. In that, what I have written f dollar this one. What is the meaning of this? Just I will show you, then you will understood. I will hash this, and I am just writing my this result, out result. So just if I'm going to execute this, what is the result is coming? Result is coming in this format, D in this location. Till here, till result, nothing but it is this, right? After
Yeah.
that, what I'm going to do, I'm adding what I'm adding. Dollar $f means what? Dollar $f means it will be content that name of that file, right? Which having the .sql, maybe result SQL script for .sql, right? Here I have used the split function, means I am telling where the dot is there, you make it two part. Here it is, means this having the SQL script one .sql, right? So I am telling where you find out dot, you make it two part and take the value of right side value. Means what is the meaning of this? Take this SQL4. In this location it's went, it's taken the first one, it's having the .sql, right? So you dot means make it two part, take the left side of value SQL1. So in that SQL1, you go and add the dot text. So that's why I'm printing this, I'm getting this result. No doubt? Correct? So now,
Okay. Yeah.
so what I'm going to do now, here I'm using, now what happened? It will be taken that all four script, it is saved into this file. It is I have declared I have to run that script into the database. I have declared I have to run in this server only. I have to run that all server into this, right? After that, I am using out file, means just how my result is going to be look like. My result will be this. So first it is pick up first line only, right? First it is pick up SQL4. SQL4 is having came here. It is generated my file also, what my out file will be look there. After that, I'm using invoke SQL CMD. I'm passing my server name from here. I'm passing my database name from here. I'm writing input file $f. So $f means it is the first file name it will pick up, it will give it to here to run, right? It will be executed, result will be generated in the format table, and I'm writing out file, I given the out. Out means this is the first result, whatever it will be. It will be generate the result into this format. So in this result format, it will go and it will save the result. So if I will go to here into the result, so 4 file has been generated in one time only. You will able to perform the hundreds of script also. If you want to run, you can run. If you have any doubt, this it was before, so I will execute again. So it is just went here, it is generated. Now I am telling you, I want in this to be, it is the result is coming in this format, right? I want SQL script one underscore result. So what I have to do into this, tell me. So if I have to do that,
Before txt
before txt, I will be add two single column, I will give the plus
underscore
mark,
result.
and I will add here underscore
Result.
result. So if I'm going to execute this time my result will be generated with underscore result, right? I am telling you in which server it is executed. I want that also has to be included. Means my server name, host name underscore instance name also has to be there. So while seeing my file only, I will come to know this result, because somebody, if I will give this, he will not understood which server it is executed, right? I want once this file will be executed, it has to give the host name and underscore instance name information also. How to do that? If somebody is telling you along with that, I want a time of which day this script was executed, that also it has to write into the my file. So how to do that? So that kind of thing we will discuss tomorrow, right? Because now it is going to become 10 o'clock. So tomorrow I am going to explain you the zip file, and I am going to show you how we can make that these things to naming convention for this one, right? And how to zip the file and all. You can add that if somebody is telling once the log file is generated, you want that all file has to be there to the zip folder. So that thing also you will able to do. So tomorrow I am going to teach you that zip file, use you how to do the zip the file using PowerShell, using the, this time I've used a .NET thing, but later I am going to use the commandlets to use the zip file. That one I will give you the example, and I will go with the some naming convention, and after that I will move for day 5 class tomorrow, right? So tomorrow class is also little bit theory, little bit practical. You will see this all the class which one I am going to discuss tomorrow, and I will going to discuss about the assemblies. What are the assemblies are there? How the assemblies is loaded into the PowerShell, and reading the error log, which one we are giving that file path. This time I'm not going to give the path automatically. I will pass the server name and it will be released. How to do that? What is the benchmark for the SQL server? So many things we are going to discuss. Day 5 class is less for me, it is more for you. So we'll see tomorrow if it is possible. I will try to complete the day 5 class tomorrow only, otherwise, but I will start tomorrow day 5 anyhow. Day 5 will be here, and day 6 on 5th I will trying to complete day 6, because after that 2 day will be off for you, and from Saturday I'm going to start the HTML for the PowerShell, right?
Uh, Rajesh, on 5th it is Dasra in here.
So what I will do, no, can 6th I will take from not 6th, can I take on 6th at 9:30 class or 9 o'clock, or at
Okay.
least 8:30
If you
8:45 8:45 I will take on 6th. That should be fine.
fine, no problem. Or
Okay,
you can.
I will schedule the class and I will tell you these 2 days.
Okay.
Anyhow, if I'm going to give you the off on 5th, then 6th and 7th I will take the class little bit less only, but 8:45 I will see that how it is going to be work. So
Okay.
this day this is 7th, 106th I am going to take after 8:30 or 8:45. 7th I will take I will tell you 7 what time I'm going to take. Maybe I will cancel or not cancel, but 8 and 9 I'm going to take the class 100%,
Okay.
because I have to complete this course at least before 23rd, because three four people is already there sitting for the new class. They told like after Diwali you have to start the class, sir, as soon as possible. So already they are all are waiting. That's why I'm going very fast for your class, right? I'm not taking the 1 day leave also, not off, continuous I'm taking, because 23rd again I have to start the class, and you guys want, you can join the class again if you want to repeat or something you want to do.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm stopping this class here.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, and tomorrow again we will continue with the day 5 class.
Yeah. Sure. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Okay, bye,
Thank you,
see you.
sir.
Bye.